now we're going to talk about enums. Okay, so we'll do all our boilerplate first. Print equals at std, no, not at import. Std dot debug dot print. Okay, so we'll declare enum. We'll call this constant week equals enum. Okay, and what we'll put is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Okay. And we'll just make sure this compiles fn main. Okay, we'll put constant set equals week dot Saturday. Okay, so let's debug, print this out. We'll put Saturday in there, set. Okay, so this should put out weekend Saturday, right? We're gonna do something with this in a minute, so just follow me. So zig run enum2 dot zig. Okay, I always forget to do that. Void, I forgot to make this public over here too. Okay, so weekend dot Saturday, okay, or weekday Saturday. So we'll say is a part of the come on now, of the weekend. Okay. So you can also put a method inside of here, or a function, whatever you want to call it. So pub fn is weekend. Okay, and then all you do is you put self, it'll be a week. Okay, and what are we going to return? We're going to return a bool. Okay, so return self equal week dot Saturday or week dot Sunday. Okay, so if it's Saturday or Sunday, it is the weekend. So we'll put another one in here, and we'll put set that is weekend function. Okay, we'll put this over there. All right, let's see what we come up with. Yelled at me like always. Oh, I didn't put self in here. Oh, and I made another mistake. Okay, good, you get to see this blooper. That double pipe operator is for something else. You got to put or in here. Okay, so just so we can make that clearer, more clear. Okay. look, that Saturday is a part of the weekend, which is true. And it's printing out this true from here. Okay? Alright, well, we can also use the switch operator like we have in Rust match. It's pretty much the equivalent. So we'll put schedule equals switch set. Then we'll put week. Oh damn, I'm messing up. Saturday. What we're gonna do on Saturday is we'll have a beer. Okay. Then if it's week dot Sunday, we will worship Jesus. Okay. And if it's week dot Monday, we will put we'll go to work. Go to work. Okay. Okay, and then you have to have a default. I think it'll allow you to do it without a default, but that's not good. That would make it unsafe. Okay, so here's our default else. We're, any other day we're just living. Okay, so perfect. So we'll do that. Come here. We'll print out. So what are we gonna do? /n, so it'll be in a league of its own. Okay, and let's put schedule in here. Okay, let's see if this thing yells at me. Come on, demo gods, we'll see what happens. Okay, I must be getting tired. I put schedule over here, not switch. Yep. So we're gonna have a beer, okay? And let's see what happens if we make this Monday. Okay. So first off, it's not the weekend and we're going to work. Alright, so that's enums